We're starting to put together our Shelton storage locker, starting with 4 boxes that were delivered yesterday. It's the day after Thanksgiving and it's our post-Thanksgiving project. We've emptied the first 2 boxes and found the directions in the second box. Yay! And here are pretty much all of the parts from the first 2 boxes. Not that many. It's not as scary as it appeared. And luckily, the directions. So, we'll try to keep you appraised as we go along. So we're back, and the storage locker is assembled. The project took an entire afternoon and part of the evening for 2 people, and it was a perfect after-day Thanksgiving project for myself and my 14-year-old. We honestly didn't think it would be as simple as it was, but thanks to a system that rivaled IKEA's, we were able to do it without any breaks or difficulties. And the unit looks terrific. Here's a few recommendations from us. These 2 tools will make the project assembly go along quickly and easily. An electric screwdriver and a regular Phillips screwdriver for a final tightening of screws. Assemble near the spot where the unit will be used. Open all 4 boxes from the beginning. You'll want to have all the parts at hand. Put your parts in alphabetical order around a 5x7 rug. Add extra pads to the bottom of the unit to make it easy to slide into place before you completely assemble and stand upright. Make sure you don't lose any parts. You'll need every last part right down to the dowels. That's it. Good luck. And don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Leave a comment too. Happy building!